Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the next part of Hero, which is written by R.K. Narayan. Already we have discussed in last period about the Swami's view and the Swami's father's view. Swami's father's view was like that courage is very important, strength and age are not important. But what about the Swami's thought or Swami's view or Swami's opinion? Age and the strength are very important. The courage is not important according to the Swami. And then he said that his approach was different. Swami's father's approach was different. Swami should be courageous. It was an approach. He wanted to him a good boy, or that is a braver. He wanted Swami's father wanted him to be a brave person, the brave persons or good person according to the Swami's father. And then he said that he put a challenge. Swami's father put a challenge to that is a Swami, and he said that, can you prove you have a courage? He put such the question. This question is very important here. How here can you prove you have a courage to sleep alone in his office room? When he put such a questions, and this question is very important here. And then what was the reply or reactions of the Swami? You see the next. Now we concentrate on the paragraph number 3. A prideful proposition, Swami thought. A prideful proposition, Swami thought. He had always slept beside his granny in the passage, and any change in this arrangement kept him trembling and awake all night. He hoped at first that father was only joking. He mumbled weakly, "Yes," and tried to change the subject. He said very loudly and with a great deal of enthusiasm, "We are going to admit even elders in our cricket club hereafter. We are buying a brand new bats and the balls. Our captain has asked me to tell you." Now here, when we read such the passage, we will get the one thing is that he was a cheater. He was a tricker. Who? Swami was a well-known tricker. And now here, when he asked such the question, can you prove you have a courage? While sleeping in his dark office room, Swami's father's room was a dark office room. And he challenged to that Swami to sleep alone that night. Swami's father's office room, and the office room was a dark office room. And a prideful proposition, Swami thought. A prideful proposition. Proposition means the suggestion. What is the meaning of the proposition which is mentioned in our glossary? Proposition means that is a suggestion. And which type of suggestion was there? Which type of proposition was there? That is a prideful proposition. How can we say that such a proposition or suggestion of a Swami's father was a prideful? How can we say that? Its answer is that yes, the suggestion was a very horrible suggestion for Swami, not his father. What was the prideful proposition? To sleep alone in the father's office room. It was a prideful proposition. They will ask one question on it. What was the prideful propositions according to Swami's? What was the prideful proposition or that is a suggestion according to Swami? Its answer is that the prideful proposition was to sleep alone father's room at that night. Here's a prideful proposition. Swami thought he had always slept beside his granny in the passage, and he had one habit. Swami had one habit to sleep beside the granny in the passage. Passage means not paragraph. Passage means that is a veranda. The meaning of the passage is here not a paragraph, but the meaning of the passage is that is a veranda. And there he slept beside a granny. Beside a granny. It was the habit of that is a Swami. And here he did not like, Swami's father did not like that habit. According to him, according to Swami's father, that habit was a not good habit. He was a growing up child. Swami was a growing up child. He should be courageous. He should be braver, not a timid, not a discourageous. And so that's why he said that he had always slept beside his granny in the passage, and any change in this arrangement kept him trembling and awake all night. Any change in this arrangement kept him trembling. He was trembled. He was frightened. Why Swami was frightened? Because he wanted to sleep alone in that the room, office room, father's office room. And so here, any change in the arrangement kept him trembling and awake all night. Awake all night. He hoped at first that father was only joking. He felt that, Swami felt that whatever he told, whatever Swami's father told to him, it was a joke. It was a joke. According to him, at first he felt that, but it was not a joke. It was a real thing. It was a fact. Because the Swami's father's approach was a different approach. He should be courageous. He should be braver. And so that's why here. Swami hoped at first that the father was only joking. He mumbled weakly. Mumbled means utter. Utter means putne. To speak. Uttered, mumbled, to speak. He uttered the weakly, yes. Yes. What is the questions? For that yes, for that answer. The question is that, you go to that is a paragraph number 2. Can you prove you have a courage? The questions. Can you prove you have courage? After some times, yes, he replied that. He replied, yes, replied positively. And now here, after that he said that, yes, he was ready. Not willingly, unwillingly. Yes, इच्छा नसताना त्यानं yes म्हटलेलं आहे. Yes, he mumbled weakly, yes, and tried to change the subject. He was a good tricker, he was a good cheater. He was a good tricker, he was a good cheater, and now he was always trying to change the subject. He wanted to convert his father's mind in another things, another way. He was a good tricker, he was a good cheater. आता तो सब्जेक्ट विषय बदलायला लागलाय, मूळ विषय बदलायला लागलाय. हा चांगला एक चीटर आहे. And now here, how can we say that he was a good cheater? We'll get its answer. Tried to change the subject, and he said, Swami said very loudly with a great deal of enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means that is a great zeal. Utsahana. Enthusiasm means उत्साहन. आणि आता तो उत्साहन, कारण त्याला सब्जेक्ट बदलायचा होता आणि तेवढ्याच उत्साहानं तो सब्जेक्ट बदलण्याचा, विषय बदलण्याचा प्रयत्न तो करत होता. Yes, with a great deal of enthusiasm. And then he said that, yes, you see, we are going to admit even elders in our cricket club hereafter. Maybe he was going to that the cricket club to play the cricket, and here his captain team may be told to that the Swami to admit to that the elder person also. Yes, we are going to admit even elders in our cricket club hereafter. Who said this? Who said this now? Now Swami said this to his father. Swami said to his father about his captain's opinion. Once what the captain told to him, such the opinion. Yes, we are going to admit even elders in our cricket club hereafter. आणि हा तो विषय बदलायला लागलाय. मूळ विषय काय होता? स्वामींना आता काय केलं पाहिजे, त्याच्या ऑफिस रूम मध्ये झोपी गेलं पाहिजेत, हा मूळ विषय होता. The main subject was that. Now he was trying to cheat, trying to change that the subject. And but here, how? You see, we are going to admit even elders in our cricket club hereafter. आणि तो असं सांगतो की आमच्या कॅप्टननं सांगितलंय की आता एल्डर्स लोकांना सुद्धा आमच्या क्रिकेट क्लबमध्ये प्रवेश दिला जाणार आहे. असं कोणी सांगितलंय? आमच्या कॅप्टन, क्रिकेट कॅप्टन, क्लब कॅप्टन जो आहे त्यांना सांगितलंय. आणि तुम्ही पण येऊ शकता का, असं त्याला म्हणायचं आहे. We are going to admit even the elders in our cricket club hereafter. We are buying brand new bats and the balls. Yes. Main subject was a main. Yes, you see the main subject and the current subject. Yes, there is a lot of difference between both. Lot of difference. We are buying a new brand new bats and the balls. Branded new bats and the balls we are buying. Cricket club is buying such a that is the branded bats and that is the balls. Our captain has asked me, our captain, cricket club captain, yes, he has asked me to tell you. You means here, who is a he? You. The word you is a refer to that Swami's father. Swami's, that is the father. आणि मग ही बातमी तुम्हाला सांगा की एल्डरना सुद्धा काय केलं जातं, परमिशन दिलं जातं, ॲडमिशन दिलं जातं. आणि तुम्ही पण आला तर चालू शकता. आमच्या क्लबनं नवीन ब्रँडेड बॅट आणि बॉल्स विकत घेतलेले आहेत, खरेदी केलेले आहेत आणि तुम्ही याच्यामध्ये येऊ शकता. सब्जेक्ट काय, करंट सब्जेक्ट काय, यू सी दॅट. मीन्स ही वॉज गुड दॅट इज अ चिटर, ही वॉज अ गुड दॅट इज अ ट्रिकर. येस, ऑलरेडी वी नो दॅट. येस, यू सी द नेक्स्ट. We'll see about that the latter. Father cut in, you must sleep alone hereafter. Swami realized that the matter had gone behind his control. From a challenge, it had become a command, and he knew his father's tenacity at such a moment. Yes, we'll see about that latter. Yes, father cut in. Father cut in. Cut in is a cut in. Cut in is a interrupted. Yes, that is a interrupted. Yes, he's now here the cutting interrupted, because here his father knew that. His father, Swami's father knew that Swami was going to change that subject, and suddenly cut in that the subject. Which subject? That is the current subject. About that the cricket club. About that the admission. Yes, now here he knew that father, yes, his father knew that about his tendency. Yes, and now here, yes, we'll see about that later. Who said this? Swami's father said to Swami. आपण ते क्रिकेट काय आहे ना ते नंतर बघू. Yes, and then he turned. Swami's father turned to the main subject. What was the main subject? Main subject was that to sleep alone in that the father's office room, dark office room. It was the main subject. We'll see about that later. Father cut in, and then he said that you must sleep alone hereafter. You must. The word must shows us compulsion, sakticho. Now he insisted on to, yes, sleep alone in that the office room. He must be, yes, slept here. You must sleep alone hereafter. Swami realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. Swami realized that. Swami realized about the father's opinion, father's tendency. His father's tendency was that, yes, to sleep alone in that the office room. He realized that the matter had gone behind his control. Gone behind his control. From challenge, it had become a command. Challenge became a command. At first, at the beginning, it was a challenge. What was the challenge? Can you prove you have a courage? Challenge. At first it becomes a challenge. Afterwards it becomes a command. Command means must. You must sleep alone there. The must shows us compulsion. And so here, now the challenge became a command. He knew his father's tenacity. He knew his father's tenacity at such a moment. Father's tenacity. Tenacity means determination. Determination means nishchiti. जो निश्चय. That is a nishchay, we say that. Yes, now here he knew his father's tenacity at such a moment. He understood. Yes, he understood that the tenacity of his father, determination of his father. What was the determination of his father? What was the tenacity of his father? They will ask one question on it. Answer is that he insisted again and again. His father, Swami's father insisted again and again. Insisted on means that is agrah dharne, force. Compelled. Compelled means that is a force. He compelled, Swami's father compelled to Swami to sleep alone in the office room. It was a tenacity, determinations of his father. Why? Because his approach was different. And this approach was a very, very useful helpful for Swami. Why? Swami should be courageous. Should be courageous. So that's why, yes, he insisted again and again. On that the one point, he must sleep alone hereafter. He said that. Who said that? Swami's father said that. Now here you see the next. From the first month of the next, I will sleep alone, father. No, you must do it now. It is a disgraceful sleeping beside granny or mother like a baby. You are in the school, second form, and I don't like the way you are being brought up. He said and looked at his wife, who was rocking the cradle. Why do you look at me while you say it? She asked. I hardly know anything about the boy. Yes, now here again he used his trick. Now he was again trying to change the subject. Now he was trying to change the subject. Now it's a good tricker. We'll get the here. They will ask one question on it. How can we say that he was a good tricker? Swami was a good tricker. Swami was a good cheater. How can we say that? Yes, they will ask one question on it, and all answers will be collected here. Yes, and now here. Yes, the year from the first of the next month, I will sleep alone, father. Who said whom? Swami said to Swami's father. Yes, Swami said to Swami's father. Yes, from the first of the next month definitely I will sleep. Not now. He said that, not now. Yes, definitely I will sleep. The next month of, yes, the first of the next month. Yes, I will sleep alone, father. He said that. Now the opinion, what was the reply of his father? No. He said, no, you must do it now. Just do it. Just do it. Now you just sleep alone in the office room at that night. No, you must do it now. And it is a disgraceful. Disgraceful means that is a shameful. Disgraceful means that is a shameful. Disgraceful means that is a shameful. Shameful means that is a ashobhaniya. According to Swami's father, whatever he had done or whatever he was doing, it was the shameful thing. It was a disgraceful thing according to Swami's father. Yes, it is a disgraceful sleeping beside a granny or mother like a baby. Now you are not a baby. To sleep beside the granny or the mother, you are not baby, you are growing up child. It was a not good thing. It was a not good thing according to Swami's father. Yes, it is a disgraceful thing. They will ask one question on it. What was a disgraceful thing according to Swami's father? According to Swami's father, its answer is that it is a disgraceful sleeping beside granny or mother like a baby. You are in the second form. You are studying in a second form. Second form means that is in a 7th standard. Yes, in a 7th standard, which is mentioned in our glossary use, second form. You are here now, you are in the second form, and I don't like the way you are being brought up. You are brought up child, bringing up child, growing up child. You are growing up child. It was not good. You are learning, you are studying in a second form also, second form, and this thing was not good. Which thing? To sleep beside a granny or mother like the baby here. He said and looked at his wife, and then he looked at his wife. He looked at his wife. He means who? Swami's father looked at his wife, who was rocking the cradle. Cradle means that is a palna. Yes, rocking karte किंवा palna हलवत असताना ती हलवत असते. It was activity of that Swami's mother or the wife of Swami's father. Yes, and Swami's father looked at his wife, means Swami's mother, who was that is rocking the cradle. Why do you look at me while you say it? She said that Swami's mother or Swami's father's wife said to that Swami's father, why do you look at me while you say it? तुम्ही माझ्याकडे का बघायला लागलाय? तुमचं तुम्ही बघून घ्या. Who said this? Swami's mother said this. Means his wife, Swami's father's wife said that to that the Swami's father. Yes, why do you look at me? Yes, while you say it. They will ask one question, who said whom? Swami's mother said to Swami's father, or wife of Swami's father said to Swami's father. Yes, such are the questions we will get here. Yes, why do you look at me while you say it? She asked, I hardly know anything about the boy. I hardly know anything about I did not know more and more about that thing. I did not know about that. Who said this? Swami's mother said to Swami's father. Everything new to that the granny. I did not know about that. About that the tendency, about that the behavior. I did not know about that. About that means about that the Swami. But who knew that? According to her, maybe, yes, Granny knew that, because Granny spoiled him. त्याला लाडवलेलं होतं. Yes, Grannyनं फार असं लाडवलेलं होतं. Spoiled him like that. No, I don't mean you. Yes, said father. मला काय तसं म्हणायचं नव्हतं. Yes, मला तसं काय म्हणजे माझं काय इंटेन्शन तसं नव्हतं. Yes, तुझ्याकडे बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन माझा काय तसा त्या दृष्टिकोनातून म्हणजे माझा काय अप्रोच असा नव्हता. Yes, and so here he said that his father said to that the wife of Swami's father. Yes, no, I don't mean you, said the father. If you mean your mother is spoiling him, tell her so and don't look at me, she said and turned away. If you mean your mother is spoiling him, your mother, who said whom? This statement is who said whom? Swami's mother said to Swami's father. Swami's mother said to Swami's father. What was his approach? You see that. What was her approach? Yes, you mean your mother is spoiling him. Your mother means Swami's father's mother. Swami's father's mother. Yes, that is a granny of Swami. The word your mother is a refer to granny. Your mother is spoiling him. Yes, त्याला आपण लाडावणे म्हणतो आपण, spoiling him. Tell her. Tell her. तिला सांगा. Who said whom? Swami's mother said to that the Swami. तुमच्या आईला सांगा की तिनंच काय केलंय, त्याला खूप असं लाडावलेलं आहे आणि तुम्हीच तिला सांगा की लाडावू नका. येस, आणि मला काय विचारू नका. अशा पद्धतीचा अप्रोच आपल्याला स्वामीच्या मदरचा पाहायला मिळतो आहे. अँड डोंट लुक ॲट मी, आणि माझ्याकडे असं बघू नका. बघू नका असं. And she said and turned away. She turned, that is away. It is the small paragraphs already I have learned. That is paragraph number 3, paragraph number 4 and paragraph number 5. And on that the paragraph number all means from first to 5, the how many questions? That is 6 questions are set on it. 6 questions are set on it. Yes, now we are going to study about that the share your responses. Such as the share your responses, you write yourselves. It is a homework for you. You can write yourself. At first you try to understand the entire lesson or entire paragraph from first to the 5 paragraph. You can read carefully and then you can write the its a answer. Yes, answer. But I will try to solve such a that is the questions answer. Now here we concentrate on share your responses. Question number 1. Swami's father drew his attention to a report in the newspaper. What was the report about? What was the report? Its answer will get in paragraph number first. Paragraph number first. What Swami's father drew his attention to a report in the newspaper. What was the report about? Report, in short, I will say in short, the report was about that the bravery of a village lad who fought against the tiger with the help of some people, and at last he killed the tiger. At last he killed the tiger. He was, according to Swami's father, he was a courageous boy, bravery boy. Yes, but Swami was not bravery boy. Yes, and so such a the view of the news came in the newspaper. Question number 2. The report said that the boy who fought with the tiger stay on a tree for half a day. Yes, he stay, that the boy, yes, that the bravery village lad, yes, or the village lad stay nearly the half a day on the tree. Why did he do so? Choose the right answer. Yes, 3 options are given here. You can read and you select the correct option. A, options are given here. A, he wanted to watch the tiger from the top of tree. B, he wanted to someone to kill the tiger. And C, he wanted to take the rest for some time. Which is a correct option? Option B, he wanted someone to kill the tiger. Yes, and now here we turn to the next question, question number 3. Swami said that a very strong and grown up the person might have fought with the tiger. Do you think he made this remark out of his experience or wisdom or belief? Choose the most appropriate word. Which is a correct? Or experience, wisdom or belief? I will repeat again. Swami said that a very strong and grown up person might have fought with a tiger. Do you think he made this remark out of his experience? He had an experience? No. He had a wisdom? No. He had such a belief. Belief is the correct answer. Number 4. Can you prove you have a courage? Can you prove you have a courage? Swami's father said, answer the following questions. Was he joking or serious? When he said, Swami's father said that, can you prove you have a courage? Was he joking or serious? It was not joking, but it was a serious. Yes, you select that is a serious option. Was it a challenge or command? Was it challenge or command? It was not a command. At first, it was a challenge. At first, it was a challenge. Can you prove you have that is a courage? It was a challenge. Afterwards, it became a command. It becomes a command. Yes, you must sleep alone. When he said that, means it shows us that is the command, not a challenge. But here, that statement, can you prove you have a courage? Such a the statement shows us that is the challenge. Now we turn to the question number 5. The place where Swami usually slept was dash fill in the blank. What is answer? Beside his granny. And last question is that what is a disgraceful according to Swami's father? What is a disgraceful according to Swami's father? What is the answer? Already its answer is mentioned in a paragraph number, I think paragraph number 5. Second paragraph, the paragraph in 5, paragraph number 5. It is a disgraceful sleeping beside a granny or mother like a baby. Yes, it is all the questions you can write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.